Hello friends. So today we are going to start class 9 science book chapter 4 motion. So friends, today's our topic is uniform circular motion. So friends, when an object moves in a circular path with uniform speed, then its motion is called the uniform circular motion. So friends, during the uniform circular motion, the speed of an object may remain same, but its velocity changes due to the change in direction at every point. For example, planets moving around the sun in a fixed orbit and a car moving in a circular path with uniform speed. So friends, now let's calculate some questions based on the formulas that we have discussed in our previous videos. So friends, the first question is, a train is traveling at a speed of 90 km per hour raised to the power minus 1. Brakes are applied so as to produce a uniform acceleration of minus 0.5 meter per second raised to the power minus 2. Find how far the train will go before it is brought to rest. So friends, the informations that are given in these questions are: initial speed is 90 km per hour raised to the power minus 1. So friends, before calculating the distance, first we will convert this speed into meter per second, because the SI unit of the speed is meter per second. So friends, the second information is the final velocity. So friends, here the final velocity is 0, because in this question it is said that we have to calculate the distance before it is brought to rest. So friends, thus rest means 0. So the final velocity is 0. And the third information is acceleration. So friends, acceleration is minus 0.5 meter per second raised to the power minus 2. Here the minus negative sign came because brakes are applied to produce the acceleration, uniform acceleration. So friends, now let's do the calculation. So friends, now first let's convert the speed into meter per second. So friends, as we know that 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. So we will multiply 90 with 1000, and we have to divide it with 3600, because 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. So we will multiply 60 and 60. Then we will get 3600. So we have to multiply 90 with 1000 and we have to divide them with 3600. So friends, after the calculation we will get 25. So friends, thus the speed is 25 meter per second raised to the power minus 1. Initial velocity or the speed is 25 meter per second raised to the power minus 1. So friends, now to calculate the distance we will use the third equation of motion. That is, final velocity square minus initial velocity square is equals to 2 into uniform acceleration into the distance. So friends, now let's use this third equation of motion, and now let's find the distance. Now let's take the values in their place. So friends, the final velocity square means 0 square minus initial velocity square, that is 25. 25 square is equals to 2 into acceleration, that is minus 0.5 multiply d. We have taken the distance as the variable t. So friends, when we multiply 2 with 0.5, then the answer will be 1. So friends, thus after multiplying 2 with minus 0.5, the answer will be minus 1. And friends, the square of 25 is 625. So friends, if we will minus 0 and 625, then the answer will be minus 625. So friends, thus minus 625 is equals to minus d. So friends, here this negative sign will be cancelled with this negative sign. So friends, thus this means that the distance is 625 meters. So friends, now let's calculate and discuss about the second question. So friends, the second question is, A trolley, while going down an inclined plane, has an acceleration of 2 cm per second raised to the power minus 2. What will be its velocity 3 seconds after the start? So friends, here the information that is given is initial velocity, that is 0, and the acceleration, that is 2 cm per second raised to the power minus 2. So friends, as we know that the SI unit of acceleration is meter per second raised to the power minus 2. So friends, thus before calculating the velocity, we have to convert this acceleration into meter per second raised to the power minus 2. So friends, the next information that is given is time taken. So friends, here we have to calculate the velocity after the start and after 3 seconds of starting. So friends, now to solve this question and to find the velocity, we will use the first equation of motion. That is, final velocity is equals to initial velocity plus uniform acceleration into the time taken. So friends, now let's take the values in their place. So friends, we will take the final velocity as the variable v. So friends, v is equals to initial velocity, that is 0, plus uniform acceleration. So friends, now we will convert this acceleration into meter per second. So friends, as we know that 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So 1 centimeter is equals to 1 by 100 meters. So now we will divide 2 with 100. So friends, then after calculating, we will get the answer 0.02 meter per second raised to the power minus 2. So friends, now let's take the value. So friends, here uniform acceleration is 0.02. So 0 plus 0.02 into the time taken, that is 3. Multiply by 3. So friends, then after we will get 0.06. 0.06 meter per second raised to the power minus 1. Because the SI unit of velocity is meter per second raised to the power minus 1. So friends, here 0.06 meter per second raised to the power minus 1 is the answer. So friends, now let's discuss about the third question. Friends, the third question is, Joseph jogs from one end A to the other end B of a straight 300-meter road in 2 minutes 30 seconds and then turns around and jogs 100 meters back to point C in another 1 minute. What are Joseph's average speeds and velocities in jogging from point A to point B? So friends, the information given in this questions are, distance from A to B is 300 meter. And friends, as in this question said us that it is a straight line. So friends, thus the displacement is also same to the distance, which is 300 meter. And the time that he took to complete his jogging is 2 minutes and 30 seconds. So friends, now let's convert the time completely into seconds. So friends, as we know that 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. So here we will add 60 and 60. Then the answer will be 120. So friends, after here 120 plus 30, that is 150 seconds. So the total time he took is 150 seconds. So friends, now here we have to find the average speed, and we know the formula to find average speed, that is total distance divided by the total time taken. So the total distance is 300 divided by total time taken, that is 150. So friends, after dividing it, we will get 2 meter per second, because the SI unit of speed is meter per second. So friends, thus the average speed is 2 meter per second. Now we have to find the average velocity, that is total displacement divided by the total time taken. So friends, the total displacement is 300. 300 divided by total time, that is 150. After dividing this, we will get 2 meter per second. So friends, this is the answer. 2 meter per second is the answer of this question, because 2 meter per second is the average speed and the average velocity of Joseph from jogging from point A to point B. Thank you.